This is the current interior. 1, 2, 3 column line or columns. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's worth noting that the HVAC is very similar to what I'm looking for, except it's the wrong color. So we're going to wander around a little bit and just do a before video. This appears to be a water line. I'm going to guess there's no drain though. That could be a good place for a sprinkler. There's an obvious exit door, roof drain. We're going to go back here. There is the back of the building. There it is. I believe there's a switch here somewhere. Here we go. So there's our 1200 amp electrical panel. I have a feeling all this stuff will get demoed. That's something we're going to have to button up there. There is some rotted roof up there. That's going to need to be replaced. Not sure what those used to be. Looks like a phone bank. Here's the back of this going out. And here's a space from the back. Lots of glass on the front. And I think we can see where the rooftop units are. There, 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 and I'm going to guess there. And that's the intake, I'm assuming. Okay, so we're pumping air out and pulling it in from the back. Existing bathroom. And you know, in a pinch, someone would still have used it. Okay, now it gets a little more interesting. because there is space on the other side of that wall. And I know the lights don't work in here very well, so I'm not going to try to turn them on. For orientation, that is the intake of the second unit from the furthest south. That is the unit most south unit. So you can see there's the intake, there's the HVAC. Now this is where there's an existing wall and some space. That's going to need to be blocked in, or perhaps an emergency exit. I don't know yet. But there's an emergency exit right there, and there's a nice big metal door. There's our sprinkler line, which is one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, about 18 feet from the south wall. Which puts this wall about 20 feet, I'm going to guess. One, two, three, 4, 5. Why didn't they do the tile? That would have been easier to measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, I still guess it's about 20 feet over. Yeah, maybe it's 16. Because those are 4-foot sheets of drywall. So 16 feet over. I stand corrected. Now, let's see if we can get out going this way. La la la. Looks like it was an office, a hallway, more offices, and a final office. What's interesting is I don't see anywhere where there was a safe. Huh. Okay, and that shows the actual deck, which is just about the color we're going to want it painted. These are going to be low, though, I believe. Okay, that's the tour of the interior. Let's look at the exterior and see what we can see. I'm going to stand back here towards the back wall and take a shot towards the front. I'm probably about in the center line of the building. So there's the empty space over there, but there is space behind that wall, about 17 feet, 18 feet. So I don't think the windows are centered.